We are now into the last session on linear equations in two variables and been taking up past board paper questions, and herein where I will be taking up few word problems on that. To take that, let me just write down the first question. I would request to ignore any mistakes while I write so that I can cover it as fast as I can. It says a man sold a chair and a table together for rupees 760, thereby making a profit of 25% on chair and 10% on table. By selling them together for rupees 767.50, he would have made a profit of 10% on the chair and 25% on the table. Find the cost price of each. Now, because we have to find the cost price of each, let us assume, it turned blue, that's okay. Let us take the cost of one chair be rupees X and the cost of one table be rupees Y. Now in the first case, let me take up the first case and we can write out the second step later on. In the first case, it say a man sold this together, thereby making a profit of 25% on the chair. So what becomes the selling price of the chair if it has made 25% profit? So it is cost price plus profit is the selling price for the chair, and there is also this table where is Y plus 10% of Y, thereby making it 760. Now that if I solve this, I'm getting it as 125 by 100x plus this is giving me 110y by 100 equals 760. This is our first equation, not yet complete though, because I need to remove this fraction part. So if I take LCM, that gives me 100. So it is 125x plus 110y equals 76000 if I cross multiply that. This is case 1. Let us take up case 2 now. By selling them together for rupees 767.50, he would have made a profit of 10% on the chair. So 10% on the chair will make it 110x by 100 plus and 25% on the table, so 125 by 100y. This is some 767.50. Again the same thing we do, thereby I multiply 100 to the right, that makes it 76750. So this being our this being our first equation, this being our second equation. We now have to solve this. What do I multiply to it? We better reduce, won't we, this, or solving these two equations? What do we get? Dividing the whole equation, or if I take this here, 110x plus 125y. See, there are various methods of solving this kind of equations. You can reduce the whole equation by suppose 10 or 5 or so, and then start solving. Otherwise, what I am doing here is I'm adding these two equations. Thereby I'm getting 235x plus again 235y. Why I did so? I can then take 235 common and reduce the whole equation. So this, if I add, will give me 507,215. Sorry, again, if I divide the whole equation by 235, I'm sure pretty much that 152,750 divided by 235 will be divisible. That's leaving me with 650. So x plus y is 650. Now we also be getting this. I added. Now let me subtract these two. Subtract 1 from 2. So I'll write 0. Yes, 110 x plus 125y equals 76750. I will be subtracting this second equation from the second from the first. Thereby I get it as minus 15x. This is plus 15y. This is plus 750. Now again, if I cancel this by 15, because 750 divided by 15 would give me 50. So it is minus x plus y is equal to 50. So I'm getting x plus y is 650 minus x plus y is 50, and I now bring this together to solve this. Thereby plus minus plus, so it is 2x is equal to 600. Thereby x is equal to 300. We assumed x to be the cost of each share, so each share costs 300. If each share costs 300, let me just put it up here maybe. So it is minus 300 plus y is equal to 50. So y is equal to 350. So the cost of each table becomes 350. More important part in such word problems is not the solving, it's more about getting the equations right. Okay, so hopefully you read the questions properly and make your own equations. Let's move on to another question. Sorry, I've got some bad throat. Let me write down the next question. In triangle ABC, let me take the liberty of writing triangle for triangle. One of the angles is 50% more than the sum of the other two angles. Find the largest angle. Oh yeah. So we have A, B, C. I will just be considering maybe angle C is the largest angle. We are assuming angle C to be the largest. So in that case it says one of the angle is 50% more than the sum of other two. So angle C is equal to 50% more than the sum of other two. So it is angle A plus angle B plus it is 50% more. So it is 50% more than A and B. We also know in an angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C should give us 180 degrees. Now this will give me 1/2. So angle C, better I continue writing with C and later on add that angle to it. This will be A plus B plus half of A plus B. So C is equal to, if I take LCM of it, I am getting a 2 2 here, A plus B plus A plus B. Now if I write and substitute, no, what I did is 2A plus B with A plus B. Now this 2A plus B plus A plus B makes it 3A plus B, and if I cross multiply I get 2C is equal to 3A plus B. So C will be, now A plus B can also be written as 2 by 3C. Okay, now let me just substitute this A plus B as 2 by 3C plus C as 183 in the second information. Here it makes, say, 3 if I take, that gives me 2C plus 3C equals 180. So it is 5C is equal to 180 into 3 gives me 540. So C becomes 540 by 5. That makes it 108 for the largest angle. So we had assumed C to be the largest angle, so C we got to be 108. Let me now take up another question, but I'll not be taking it up actually. I'm giving this question for you to solve. It says a chemist has one solution which is 50% acid and second solution which is 25% acid. How much of each should be mixed to make 10 liters of 40% acid? So acid solution, sorry. I know you will be getting this right, but still I give you the answer for you to check. So first solution you will find, first solution will be 6 liters, and if you take second it will be 4 liters. Hope you get that answer right. Thank you.